Hi, I'm Annette from itsadelight.com. So glad you joined me. I have done a table centerpiece using my favorite antique wooden trough with greens and red candles, but I want to show you a snowy one that you can either use after Christmas, or if your Christmas theme is snowy, it'll be perfect for that too. So I just starting out again with my wooden trough. I just have a piece of burlap runner that I use. Literally, it's just a piece of burlap that I cut to the right length. Okay, and I have my Epsom salt because we don't want to use this glittery, ooh, look at it already gets all over. This glittery, this kind of snow, no, it's too messy, and like this, it just sticks to everything and it ends up everywhere. So we're gonna use my secret ingredient, Epsom salt, which works great. And lots of times we already have some. I have my white candles, which is what I'm gonna be starting with today. And these were just little jar candles that I found at the dollar store. Now I actually think that blue could be really pretty also. Of course, I love blue. And these were just like from the grocery store. So that was super easy, but I am trying to use more and more beeswax, and I actually think this would still be very pretty with the beeswax candles. You might look at this at first and think you don't like the look of the beeswax in with the white, but let me tell you that when beeswax is lit, after about 20 or 30 minutes, and it starts to get all melty, it looks clear. And so then in the evening or at dusk when you're lighting this, it's actually very beautiful. So don't let that sway you from using something so good and healthy. Okay, I've got a few little pine cones. I might add those in. We'll just make this up and you'll see just how I do it as I go along. Hope you'll enjoy it.